And that concludes our final session in the 10th anniversary edition of the Global Young Scientists Summit. It has been 5 days of illuminating lectures and engaging discussions. We are heartened to see many of you participating so actively, and we hope you've enjoyed yourselves and will continue to keep in touch with each other. If you missed out on any lectures and presentations, do head on to the NRF YouTube page, as all sessions are uploaded there for you to catch up on. Before I bid you farewell, I have 3 more short program items to update you about. Firstly, the time capsule. We received many creative contributions, and we look forward to opening it in 10 years' time to see whether any of your predictions have come true. We will now seal the time capsule, which we will open in 2032. Next, I'd like to invite our Organising Committee co-chairs, Professor Low Teck Seng and Professor Bertil Andersson, to close the summit with a few words. Thereafter, Professor Low will be announcing the winners of the video challenge. I know many of you have been looking forward to this, so do stay on for that. Thank you once again for joining us at GYSS 2022. Professors, please.
Speakers, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the closing session of the Global Young Scientists Summit 2022. This is a milestone edition as we celebrate 10 years of bringing together scientists from different disciplines and cultures for exchanges of ideas and conversations on issues that matter to both the scientific community and society at large. We started the Global Young Scientists Summit a decade ago on the belief that such interactions among promising young scientists and illustrious science and technology leaders will provide fresh perspective, inspiration, and collaboration opportunities that are all key for scientific progress. We are very heartened to learn that our past participants had found this experience useful and inspiring, and the Global Young Scientists Summit will remain committed to excite, engage, and enable the next generation of scientific leaders. GYSS has grown over the past 10 years, and our network of speakers and participants continue to increase. Like last year, we have hosted the summit online, and I'm very happy to see such strong participation from our young scientists from all over the world. More than 500 of our participants were able to take part in the small group sessions with our speakers. On top of that, networking opportunities based on shared interests were made available to all participants. This year, we have once again conducted the GYSS Video Challenge, where our participants could share short videos about their science stories and inspirations. We have also included a new segment for 19 young scientists to present their work to their fellow peers. We hope that you have enjoyed and benefited from these exciting and vibrant exchanges with the speakers and fellow young scientists in the past 5 days.
For 10 years, the GIS invites eminent scientists from different disciplines to provide their insights and share their experience with our young participants. Speakers in the summit include recipients of the Nobel Prize, Fields Medal, Millennium Technology Prize, Turning Award, and the IEEE Medal of Honor. We are heartened to have 4 new speakers join us this year, including the most recent awardee of the Nobel Prize in Chemistry. We are also deeply grateful for the continuous support that many of our speakers have provided to GIS over the past decade. And here, I would like to thank all our 21 speakers for their commitment and participation in the summit and our Jubilee event, some of whom had to do so at late hours due to the time difference. Science is not only the cornerstone of great advances of the past, but also even more important today to solve global challenges and meet societal needs. In this 10th edition of GIS, we have looked back at some of the key scientific developments and more importantly, discuss the future possibilities in science and technology. We have also asked for your predictions and wishes for the greatest advancements and scientific invention in the next decade. We certainly hope that you will join us in 10 years' time to revisit these predictions. And to the young scientists, we hope that you will continue pursuing your passions in science and work towards bringing these predictions to reality. On that note, I would like to thank all of you once again for your participation, invite you for next year's 11th edition of GYSS. GYSS 2023 will be held in Singapore tentatively from the 10th to the 13th of January. And I really hope we can finally meet in person in Singapore. Until then, stay safe and stay well. Thank you very much, and we look forward to seeing you again next year.
Dear participants, the final segment of our GYSS 2022 is the announcement of the winners of our video contest, which gave the contestants the opportunity to share with us their science story. We thank everyone for putting in the effort, for contributing your ideas to the contest. The videos for the Panel's Choice Award were evaluated by a panel of reviewers based on 4 criteria: engagement, illumination, creativity, and overall quality of the video. The winner of this award is the video titled Shed Light on 3D Bioprinting, created by Ricardo Rizzo from ETH Zurich.
Together with current light technologies, we end up having such a powerful set of tools that makes me sometimes feel like a modern wizard. A little wave of magic wand and the precious help of brilliant colleagues, and we're able to print extremely tiny structures with this technique called two-photon stereolithography.
We also have 2 other awards, the People's Choice Awards. These are based on their popularity, indicated by the awards they garnered. The top 2 most popular videos were 1. Batteryless implantable medical devices, created by Nora Almari from University College London.
Opto comes from the word light and genetics come from genes. So what we do is make the nerves act like a plant to respond to the light that comes from the tiny implant. So when the light comes to the tiny implant, the nerves get excited and become healthy again.
2. Vision Beyond Vision, My Journey into the World of Special Needs, created by Rebecca Chakram from LV Prasad Eye Institute, India, and City University of London.
She realized the importance of checking the reliability of the vision tools and was curious to understand the relationship between the brain development of these children and how well they can see.
My heartiest congratulations to the 3 winners. You have each won yourselves a round-trip ticket to Singapore to attend GYSS 2023. We hope to be able to meet and host you all in sunny Singapore. And to everyone who took part in this video contest, thank you very much for participating and sharing with us your great stories. Have a great year ahead. Thank you very much.